I'm going to show you how to get around the problem of forms not calculating correctly. I had this problem yesterday when I was working on a form. And so I've made a basic as you can get form. I have one number, next number, and I have calculated field, and then I have a command button. So let's view the code for the command button. And so my first field is text box 1, my second box is text box 2. So what I want to do is calculate text box 3. So under normal circumstances, you just write text box 3 equals text box 1 plus times text box 2. But and then a times, and then text box 2. You gotta learn how to type. Now we'll go back to our form here, and of course I'm sure this is going to work because under normal circumstances it works every time. So we're going to press F5 to run this form, and I'm going to put in 5, and I'm going to put in 8, and I'm going to command button, and it's calculating. But yesterday when I was working on a very similar form, very simple straight calculations, it wasn't working at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, if you're trying to get it to work and it's not working, I'll show you what you need to do. So I'm going to go back to my code. Now instead of just saying text box 3, you need to say me. Actually, let's write this whole thing over with the me thing in there. So me specifies the form that you have there, and then you put, and it brings up your text boxes, so you make sure that you have it in the right. And then next thing you do is you put the value. So you're actually not actually multiplying two boxes. You're multiplying the value that's in these boxes, right? Once again, me dot text box box 1 dot value, and then we'll go times, and then we'll do once again me dot text box. So I'm going to times it by text box 2, and then dot value. So this is exactly how I solved my problem yesterday when I was having a text box that I couldn't get to calculate. So if you go back to the absolute basics and type in the me and the value for all of the fields, it will work, guarantee you. So let's click on our user form, and we're going to press F5 to get it to run. And once again, it's going to work 8 times 6, and click the command button. And there you have your 48. So if you're having trouble with your text boxes calculating, I hope this video will help you. I certainly, this idea helped me yesterday. So please subscribe.